Greeting. Happy KO, everyone. Drew's mixing a new song we're working on, which is exciting. And I had an idea of adding a shaker to the song, which I thought would be a good quick tip video. Basically, to everyone out there making a song, just try always adding a shaker, because a shaker always makes a song sound just a little bit better. Just a little bit of that going on in the background can do wonders for your music. This is one of many types of shakers you can buy. There's a zillion of them out there. I'm not going to name the name of the company that makes this one because they don't sponsor Happy KO. But you can hold it like this. You can hold it like this. If it's too much, if that's too rich of a sound for your song, you can hold it like this. And it kind of deadens it a little bit. Or you can hold the sides. It makes it sound more like an egg shaker. That Drew's annoyed because I'm making so much noise. So he put headphones.
I just heard you say my name.
Couldn't hear. Will you repeat what you just said?
It's gonna sound like shit.
That's not what he said. What he actually said was, this is gonna sound really good when we add the shaker. Okay, he's really excited about this. Drew's been talking about this shaker track all day.
And the song sounds pretty good, but it's going to sound better with the shaker.
He definitely did not.
I definitely believe that.
All right, go ahead and press play there, Drew. Oh, by the way, we are using the Gauge ECM87 microphone to record this shaker.
So let's go ahead and mix this in now. I'm so excited to hear what this is going to sound like.
Shaker's that green track
going here. Yeah, we've been wondering how this is going to sound for a while now. So let's go ahead and give it a listen. Mix it all in.
Oh, by the way, we are... Forget everything I said at the beginning of the video. We won't be using the shaker in this song. It doesn't sound good. Drew was very excited to record this today. He ran home from work.
I thought a shaker sounded good in everything. That's what you said. It sounds terrible. I really apologize, and I would understand if you never watched another video of ours again. In fact, I would encourage that. Please don't like or subscribe, because I'm ashamed.